In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to back up your Stardew Valley save. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for any version of the game, including Steam and non-Steam versions. All you have to do is press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to bring up the Run menu. If you cannot press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, just open up the Windows Start menu and look for the Run command. After you find the Run window, in here type %app data % and press OK. You will be redirected to the App Data Roaming folder, where inside the Roaming folder, you can access the Stardew Valley folder and then go into the Saves folder. Inside the Saves folder, you can see all of your worlds or saves in Stardew Valley, and all you have to do is copy all the files from this folder, and you can place them somewhere else to make a backup. As you can see, this is the world I copied. You may notice that I also have this Steam Auto Cloud file. You might not have this file, and all this is the way Steam saves our saves on the cloud. If you want to enable Steam Cloud Save so you can switch computers and still have all of your Stardew Valley saves in there, just right-click Stardew Valley on Steam, go into the properties and make sure Steam Cloud is enabled. This way you will always have a backup of Stardew Valley without having to move any files around. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up your Stardew Valley saves. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.